Hi everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. So a couple of months back, I had shifted to Sambalpur to pursue my MBA there. And before I moved, I shot a Mumbai room tour video. In my mind, I have chronologically thought of a couple of videos. So it's first going to be this video, and then moving out to Sambalpur, I have a blog for this actually, and I also have a setting up my hostel room video. Anyway, so welcome to my Mumbai room tour.
So this is the picture of the room I got from my landlord, and I knew I wanted to completely change it into a more calm zen space. Something that would actually help me focus and be more productive.
Is the door through which I just came in. Towards the left of the door, we have these storage cupboards. So I have miscellaneous like suitcases and boxes up there. This is my clothes cupboard, and that is for stationery, books, all other miscellaneous items. So that is what this looks like. Now, if we turn to this corner, nothing really special about this, but how cute is this cat decal? So this is actually a switchboard specific sticker, or a decal is what it's called. This is supposed to be stuck specifically on a switchboard just to make it a little cuter. So I think this also came along with that. But yeah, okay. So now then we come to this chair, which is always kept here. This used to be my high chair when I was a child, and my grandfather had this made for me. And after that, it's now my keyboard stool actually. My sister is the one who plays the keyboard, not me. And right here is where I sleep. This is the bed, and this also doubles up as a whiteboard. That's why I have this marker set. This is what the bed looks like. I don't really care much about making it look tidy because I just have to push it up anyway. These shoes are generally not here, but these are the new ones that I had ordered to take with me to college. So they're just here waiting to get packed into my suitcase. We have a mirror over here. Hello. Almost not full length, I guess a 3/4 mirror over here, and some storage space beneath, and a drawer. Okay, so if I open this, I have all of my jewelry, makeup stuff. I'm very glad that we have a curtain that is blocking the view behind this, because this is where we hang our laundry. There's a good breeze that keeps coming through that window. But yeah, that is our laundry window. Not very aesthetic, so that's why it's always hidden behind this window. But the breeze is always great, and actually there's space for a person to actually stand and get down over here. Now, if we turn our focus to this part of the room, so from long distance, this is what it looks like. This, I made a reel on how I was turning this corner into like a reading nook and stuff. It used to be my grandfather's total. Total in Tamil means cradle. This is what it is. I usually just sit here and scroll through reels. It was supposed to be a reading nook. This is my reading cupboard. These are my top favorite books which I like to read the most, and reads that I have to finish. This is my currently reading, and these are some bookmarks that someone kindly sent over to me. Some pens, more bookmarks, sticky tabs, just basic like annotation stuff, I guess, so that your book doesn't get ruined. You can highlight with this highlighter strip. And these are again bookmarks. I love bookmarks a lot. So I also have a candle holder for a tea light candle. You just put a tea light candle over here and it just gives the most beautiful shine. This was supposed to be my skincare drawer, so I have some foot mask, face mask, all of that. Yeah, if you watched my reels and stuff, you know where this is from. It's a book light basically. It's so pretty when it opens. And yeah, this is actually more of a prop for my videos. And this is the chai biscuit candle that I had bought. Then I have some random other knickknacks, battery, um, measuring tape. This is like a junk drawer actually. So yeah, that is about this whole cupboard. The good thing about this house is it's like full of storage everywhere. Maybe it's a Mumbai thing, I don't know. I hated when I moved here was these two cloth lines. We used to dry clothes when it's raining, and we do use it actually. So I can't say no to it, but it doesn't look pretty at all. So I always try to show my room only till here. These lights also actually do work, but there's only one switch, so I can either put those fairy lights or these ones. So I chose to put that one. Now finally we come to my work area, work, study, reel making area. So yeah, I always wanted a dedicated space for that, and this corner was just perfect, I thought. um, so I can just like sneak into a corner and just do my stuff. But the thing is that it really gets hot because there's no AC over here. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the outside. Usually after I come sit here to work, I pull this IKEA cart here. So it's like a lock and I'm completely in one zone. So I mean, I think I just like it a lot. And this cart has a lot of things that I may need. I just feel like very cozy, very locked in inside this area. So coming back to the rest of my space, I've already shown this many times in my videos and stuff. So this is the close-up of it. This is what the whole space looks like combined. This is my sticky notes dabba, and I have some memo pads, to-do lists, and all of those things over here. Some stationery, all of my stationery actually. This is washi tape that I just keep using very frequently. This is just a earring case. Comes in a macaron shape, so it's very cute. I carry it when I travel also. And some other, random things. This is my headphones, candles, clock. This is my earphones that I have. They're all kept over here. So yeah, that brings me to the rest of my table. These are both from Logitech, and compatible with the iPad also. So pretty good. This is the rest of my desk actually. Yeah, just books, candles, other things. And this is actually something that I made by hand. I hope it looks like a bullseye. But yeah, I made this with a punch needle. So yeah, I was very happy with how that turned out. These are all the files that I'm carrying to college with me. This is a tripod. I don't use it much nowadays, but if I film myself studying or something, this is a great option. Underneath, I have some journaling, stationery, supplies, and all of that. The wire adapter, of course. There's actually a place to keep it over here, but I don't know, I'm just too lazy, and right now everything is in a chaos. And these are some of my books, more craft supplies and stuff. But CA final books are also there because I keep talking to CA final students. The grills here look like I'm in jail or something, so I don't like them, so I like keeping them curtained as much as possible. But yeah, this is what the entire setup looks like. This is my IKEA cart. So yeah, there are three layers to this. These are all my journals, some books that I'm trying to read, pens. I mean, again, sketch pen, brush pens, all of those things. These are just more supplies. So these are all the tabs that I just showed you, flags that you would use in a book, refills, just stationery stuff. Basically, these are some spoons that I thought are very aesthetic looking. So I just got a set of those. This is my stamping set. Stickers, sticker books, some pens. All of these are craft supplies. There's nothing really to go into this. The room basically looks like this. And this is my clothes cupboard. So It's not extremely organized, so please ignore it. So I just have all of my clothes organized into some sections, more sections, and this is my bag collection. I tend to change my bags a lot. So here is where I just keep all of my stuff. These are all the common things that I like to carry with me in a bag. So yeah, this is my what's in a bag, I guess. This is in my bag. This is actually my content creation organizer box, I guess you could call it. I have my tripod, mic, USB or light. So yeah, all of those things. Have some more smaller bags and hats organized into that one, some bags and hats. This is actually a nice place to store suitcases. It's kind of tall, so that is what I do. My other cupboard, this is what it looks like. These are my CA final books, again more books, my reading novel books, and these are just some files, craft supplies, all of that. This side we actually have all the boxes in which stuff comes in, so in case I have to claim a warranty or something, I just keep all the boxes that it comes in. These are my suits and shirts and stuff. These are just some stationery supplies. So yes, this is what the whole cupboard looks like. That was it for this room tour video. If you were looking to do up your room or your workspace or your study desk, I hope you got some kind of inspiration or motivation from this. Everything I've used, I will link it down below if it's from an online shop, or if I bought it offline, I'll let you know the location of the shop. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care.